Hello and welcome. You're about to hear insights from a wise old scientist who prefers to stay behind the scenes. He's much better at research than presenting, so he's asked me to share his carefully prepared thoughts with you. Please be kind and think of this as a small gift of science and care. Let's talk about one of the most popular nutrients in skincare, vitamin C. Everyone's heard about it. It's in serums, moisturizers, and supplements. But what does vitamin C actually do for your skin? And is it really as powerful as it sounds? Let's start with what makes it so special. Vitamin C, or ascorbic acid, is a potent antioxidant. It helps neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that form from pollution, sun exposure, and stress. Left unchecked, those free radicals damage collagen and speed up aging. Vitamin C helps stop that process, protecting your skin structure and keeping it firm and smooth. It also plays a key role in collagen synthesis. Without enough vitamin C, your body can't produce collagen properly. That's why deficiency, though rare today, leads to fragile skin and slow healing. Now, what about brightening? Vitamin C helps fade pigmentation and even out skin tone by reducing melanin production. That's why it's often used to treat sunspots and dullness. It gives skin a fresher, more luminous appearance. But does applying vitamin C topically really work? Yes, but it depends on formulation and stability. Pure vitamin C is unstable. It breaks down quickly when exposed to light or air. That's why high-quality serums use stabilized forms, like sodium ascorbyl phosphate or ascorbyl glucoside. They deliver benefits more safely and effectively. You might also be wondering, should I take it as a supplement or use it on my skin? Both approaches can help, but in different ways. Dietary vitamin C supports your overall skin health from within, while topical vitamin C directly targets the surface layers where environmental damage occurs. For best results, dermatologists often recommend combining the two. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, especially citrus, kiwi, berries, and capsicum, and use a well-formulated vitamin C serum once a day, ideally in the morning under sunscreen. One more important point, vitamin C doesn't work overnight. It takes several weeks of consistent use to see real improvements in brightness and texture. And remember, more isn't always better. Very high concentrations can irritate sensitive skin, so start low, around 10%, and increase gradually. In short, vitamin C is not magic, but it's one of the best studied, most reliable ingredients for healthier, younger-looking skin. It protects, repairs, and restores your skin's natural glow. The science is clear. You don't need every new trend. Just the right ingredients, used consistently, make all the difference.